When important updates need to be shared with everyone using a service, Service Bulletins provide a simple way to communicate that information directly through the portal. For example, if planned maintenance is coming up, you can publish a Service Bulletin to alert subscribers and keep them informed. A Service Bulletin is an announcement created against a service and published to its subscribers. And once live, these bulletins appear on both the customer and employee portals. In this video, we'll explore how a bulletin is created, along with the settings and options that control how it appears. Service bulletins are created and managed directly from the service page in the service portfolio. So the starting point is the service that the bulletin belongs to. From the menu toolbar, the Bulletin tab is where you create and manage your bulletins. Here, the list can be filtered to show only active or retired bulletins. You can also reorder bulletins by dragging them, which changes the order they appear in the portal carousel. Each bulletin has a cog icon, which lets you update its details or change its status. So let's create a new bulletin. The title is the heading for the announcement, while the description provides the summary shown beneath it. The Show Title and Description toggles controls how the bulletin is displayed on the portal and within the bulletin list. This can be turned off when the background image already communicates the message on its own. But when it's enabled, an additional text shadow option becomes available to help keep the text readable when displayed over busy graphics. The image can be browsed from the device or simply just dragged and dropped. The start date determines when the bulletin becomes visible. If this is left blank, the bulletin appears as soon as it is published. The end date determines when the bulletin is removed. If this is left blank, the bulletin remains visible until it is manually retired. The employee portal link turns the entire bulletin into a clickable hyperlink on the employee portal, directing users to additional information. At the bottom, you'll find the language setting. The status determines the current state of the bulletin. So draft means the bulletin is saved but hidden. Published means it is live and visible to subscribers. Retired means it has been removed from view. Once everything is configured, the bulletin is saved and appears in the list on the Bulletin tab. If its status is set to publish, it will also be live on the portals. Published bulletins appear on an individual services page, as well as on the portal page. For this to happen, the bulletin widget needs to be included in the portal page design configuration. Once configured, bulletins from different services are gathered into a carousel that cycles automatically, with controls available to pause or move between bulletins. And that's how service bulletins help you keep subscribers informed about important service updates.